And welcome to my latest video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Keyword Explorer inside of the TubeBuddy tool. So TubeBuddy is my go-to tool for helping me research the titles of the videos that I upload here on YouTube, but also finding out the content that my audience wants to find from me. So my name is Anita Wong, and I simplify the tools that you need to understand to maximize your visibility online. I help you understand why you need to use them and how, by understanding how to use the tools properly, you can make your systems and your strategy work even better for you. So without further ado, let's jump into how to use the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer. So I'm inside my YouTube account, and the best way to create the keyword search is to come up here on the right, and you see where it says the TubeBuddy app. Now, if you haven't got this showing, it's because you haven't logged into your account. So as you can see, I'm up here. Once you've connected TubeBuddy to your account, so once you've opened up your TubeBuddy account, so if I go to my TubeBuddy account just briefly, and you sign in, it will automatically link your YouTube account to the one that you've signed in with. So because you're signing in with Google, it's automatically going to associate your account with your channel. Obviously, if you've got more than one channel, then you would need to select which channel you want to use your TubeBuddy for. But the icon up here will automatically show once you have done that logging sequence with your TubeBuddy. You can also have TubeBuddy up here in your Google Chrome. So you would have to go into Chrome and select the toolbar tool, and then you can have TubeBuddy up there as well. But that accesses the site, not the internal YouTube account. So it's the internal YouTube that I use. And this is the one that Rob referenced when we were having the training. The two big areas that I use the most are the Keyword Explorer, which enables you to explore the keywords that you're looking up, and also the SEO station, which is where you could put those keywords into the title to start creating some really good searchable titles. So I'm going to go through, in the process of this video and the next video, the Keyword Explorer and the SEO Studio. So for this video, we're going to be doing the Keyword Explorer. So I'm going to click on the Keyword Explorer, and we're going to type in some keywords. So I'm planning on doing a video this week on the new Instagram TV option. When you go live on Instagram TV, you have an option to automatically share it to your IGTV account instead of it staying in your stories. So I'm going to put up here, so well, let's put it in capital. So IGTV tutorial is quite a good one. So actually what I'm going to put is Instagram live to IGTV. So that's already given me a couple of options: how to save Instagram live videos to IGTV, how to save Instagram live. So let's click this one and see what happens. Now remember, he said that when it was unweighted, which is what you should be starting on when you're first starting out, it gives you some really good terms. Now for me, because I talk about IGTV on my account, I'm going to just check what the weighted is. So let's just have a little look. So the weighted for me is 61 and the unweighted is 64. So if you're new to it, it's quite good to do it for either or. So how to save Instagram live videos to IGTV is quite a good search for process. Okay, so I might want to try and get that score up a little bit more. So at the moment, what we've got is, let's have a quick look, how to save Instagram. So I'm going to put how to save your Instagram live video to Instagram TV, and I'm going to put for beginners and see if that makes a difference. And then you click explore. So for beginners has actually gone down, and that's probably because that sort of strategy isn't used for beginners, to be honest. It's a little bit more advanced. So I'm going to take that off. So we're going to take that off, and we're going to explore again. Okay, so by adding your in, it goes up to 71. So I'm going to leave it at that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that, so I've got it on my clipboard, but I'm also going to go down here. So remember, when we were in this area, Rob was talking about common video tags that you could use. So these common video tags are the tags that other people have associated with this type of tutorial. So these sort of words are quite interesting. So I could go through and tap on some of the ones I think would be quite good for searching. And I'm going to just keep those down. Maybe I'm going to put that one and that one. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add it to a new list. So I'm going to put in here IGTV. Okay, so that's going to copy those over to that list for me. So they've copied it over. And then I'm going to just copy this, and we're going to just quickly have a look at what the results are like. So who else in that field is using that title? So let's have a little look. So how to save Instagram live videos after posting. So you forgot to save to your phone. How to save. So a few people are doing the same sort of video, but because I know that I've been doing this type of video, I know that I will have a good chance of showing up on the search as well. So I'll be able to come up with all of these people ranking in here, which is great. Okay, so trending at the moment isn't really relevant for this. So we've got our really good title, and we are going to now, let's just click here. So we've got that. So what I'm going to do now is I've saved my list tags. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to my topic planner, because I want to add this title to my planner inside of my YouTube TubeBuddy. So I'm going to click add to topic planner, and it's going to add that to my topic planner. Right, so these have been saved. So click video topic planner from the main TubeBuddy to find them. So okay, so we're going to close this down, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how you can use the SEO Studio to actually complete this whole setup for your next video that you're going to put up, but also if you're going to plan to use that type of title in a blog post or any other type of social media post that you might want to share. Any questions whatsoever about this video, please don't hesitate to pop them in the comments below this video, and I'll be happy to answer them as far as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love this video, and please give me the thumbs up and ring that notification bell so that the next time I upload a video or go live, you'll be notified as well.